Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a BMW X2 sDrive in metallic black, diamond cut alloys, privacy glass, electric mirrors, electric windows as well, rear parking sensors. Very clean car, as you can see. One owner with a full service history. Nice bucket seats here. Quite like this contrasting colour actually. Locking wheel nut, handbooks in there. Isofix front seats as well. Side airbags. Isofix rear seats. Two USB-Cs here. Electronic tailgate, set of mats in there, power outlet here, to shut the tailgate, push that button. Four electric windows, electric mirrors, lock and unlock, height adjustable driver's seat with electronic lumbar support, automatic lights, auto wipers. Get in the vehicle. This is the start. Push your foot on the button. Right, the vehicle starts. Pocket here, output here, power outlet here, automatic. Your different drive modes for your gearbox and that. Now here it has a USB here, full size USB there, so you can put your phone there if you wish. This pocket lifts up here, so you can store things in there. Vanity mirrors both sides. Rear parking sensors, you can see. Dual climate, CD player. Cruise control, speed limiter. You can drive tiptronically with these buttons here. These are your telephone buttons and voice activation and that. Navigation.
Navigation is not active.
DAB radio, DAB FM radio, got your vehicle there, notifications. This can be controlled from here. These are your buttons to control all that. To turn the vehicle off, the mileage is 37,459 miles. So nice mileage as well. Turn the vehicle off, push this button. That's the vehicle off. Exit the vehicle. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you for watching.